to be making fluffy slime based on the card.
Go card.
And the color too.
And they
So,
drive.
yeah.
Guys, guess what card this is? We got it from
Fred. No.
Super Saver.
Yeah.
And they had Jello.
But instead, we came out with
We
this
took out all
idea.
the Jello. And we got a bunch
And
of
to make
Jellos
it
now. We got 100, 1,000, 1,000. We can sell them for free.
Okay. Don't forget to subscribe.
In
And
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did you guys
do it?
Wait.
Did you do
guys
it?
subscribe?
Did
Hope you did.
Did. If you didn't subscribe, I'm going to not make you slime. And
Don't forget to follow our social medias right here.
right here. It's right here.
Right
Up here.
right
It's
here.
in the fly.
Right, no, it's right here. It's right here.
It's
Right here.
right there.
Let's
Okay.
get into the video.
Shout, shout,
We're gonna start off with the non-toxic glue. So we're gonna pour some in here. We're gonna pour some in here.
We gonna need some of this, like a lot. We might even know that you need the whole bottle of glue.
It's heavy.
One. Let's push it together.
Here,
One,
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ooh, there's a lot.
1, 2, 3, go.
One.
Okay.
Okay, that should be enough glue for right now.
And you
And
want
we can make. Abigail, she gonna make her own slime because she's not just like barely. That's it. And we got these little activators.
But first you're supposed to put the shaving cream.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Right
Oh
there.
guys, look at it. This is foamy shaving cream. Don't do this. Look at this, guys.
Look at Abigail's. You need your mixing fluid.
It's a blue
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream.
We're gonna mix a little bit. So
Okay,
now we're gonna add some green food color. Green food color.
I'm gonna go wash my hands. Wait.
Okay. You don't need to. But
My hands are messy.
okay,
I'm
I'm
gonna go
gonna
wash
make
them. Oopsie.
We want a light green. We're going for a light green.
Yeah, so we.
Like the truck. Like the truck.
See? You see the. Oh man, we broke the wheel.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's
I'm
okay.
back. We're gonna fix you.
So
Let's
we
use
tryna
my
make this
example.
China green. Yeah, that kind of green. Okay.
Look, you see,
See that China green. Kind of green. I'm gonna add my orange food coloring.
yeah.
She making orange.
You want to mix? Yes. Mine is got tighter. Let me help you. Let me help you.
So guys, we're using a tiny activator.
Look at Abigail's is jelly.
How is he?
Look, hers is jelly. Don't pour the whole thing.
Okay.
Because you want it light orange. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, mix.
Get a mix. Whoa.
That's orange. That was orange.
Yeah, orange.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, orange.
This
Oh, ours
is
is green.
pretty.
Okay, go.
This is what art. Guys, comment down below
Who's better? So, yeah.
Cause mine is better.
So y'all teaming up on Abigail.
Yup.
Mm-hmm.
Abigail versus the two Latinas.
The two twins, because y'all got the same shirt on.
Why every time we met, Abigail, she's just like in
By
her
herself.
own zone.
And then we have to be twins.
Okay, now.
We have different
Mix
ways,
it.
Christina.
Yeah.
I like to sing.
And
me
I
gusta
like.
cantar.
This is pretty.
And you like who got soccer.
I just need more. What do you call it?
Why is it not mixing?
I need
Like
more
the-
like blue,
Okay, let
red,
me see.
orange food color.
You're not strong enough like me.
You have more.
Me?
Yes.
Guys,
Ooh, hers is creamy and good looking. Ours is like white and not mixing looking. No.
to make it lighter.
No.
It's kind of.
No. It's
Okay, let's get on to the activator. We're gonna add the whole bottle.
No, no. You gotta take it slow by slow.
It's tiny. Baby next screaming. He laughing.
That's our brother. Okay,
Where you
guys.
going?
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Again?
This is one more time, guys.
Ooh, it's starting to come forward and come tight.
Where's the other
Look,
one?
guys.
I think
Hey,
That's
guys,
the
I'm
last one.
back. Cause
This
Yeah,
was the
you
last
the
one.
last one. Oh no, don't add it yet. Don't add it yet. We do need to mix it in.
So this is a clip of our behind the scenes of us fixing. No! I'm right here, guys, because that side is messy and I
look at your side.
Ah! I'm gonna put some more shaving cream.
Unnecessary. This is for you.
Thinking like more
Dad, I hope you don't get mad, but we're using your table. Ow.
Mine is so fluffy.
Look, guys. Look, guys. Look.
Guys, I'm right here because
You saw that? Guys, look at her. What is the dog? They look like some ugly rotten slime.
Where the bubble at?
Oh, okay. Let's make a bubble.
Wait. Let me get it.
I'm mixing up this
Okay,
shake.
1, 2.
We
Okay.
actually definitely got her bracelet up.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What was that?
Okay, wait, look at mine, guys.
Look at
Guys,
Abigail.
comment down below.
Who won?
I knew.
Wait, guys.
I love this one. It's my favorite out of all of them.
Wait. Again, hers is. You didn't see that bubble, okay? Y'all didn't see that bubble? Okay.
That bubble was
Why
cool.
are you right there?
Because she's gonna fail. And she needs to.
Ooh, there go Abigail bubble.
Pop
I
is
bet ours
a
could be
fail.
a bigger.
Yeah,
one.
watch this.
No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
I smell some haters.
Ah!
I'm not here yet.
She was talking about us.
We ain't no hater. We are
The
a
players,
winner.
the payers.
Don't
Look
hate on a
at that.
player, hate
Look,
on the
look.
game. Like Alvin said.
From the movie. Guys, comment down below if you watch
Alvin and the Chipmunk.
Whoa! Look at that! Look at that!
What? Me trying to make that.
Yours is
What,
a
you're a
fairy
tiny
tale.
slime? This is actually, guys, this is actually her first time making
Yeah,
a
her
light
slime.
slime.
Look, all her slimes turn out dark.
Like the galaxy.
Yeah,
But
like
an
the
ugly
darkness.
galaxy.
Like out of this world galaxy.
Okay, wait. Let me make
Wait,
a...
let her go. Let's see what she got.
Let's see what she got.
Let's see what she got.
Turn it on, baby.
Wait,
What is that?
Wait,
Watch it.
okay. Oh my god.
Arthur.
Okay, guys, look at this now.
Okay, all right.
I'm good.
And we got some green glitter.
Ooh.
That wasn't big like ours.
Ooh.
Guys, look. Watch this.
Don't worry.
If you guys want our slime, make sure.
To go on our Instagram.
Yeah, and we'll send you some in a package.
I think you can't see me, guys. I'm right here because that side is messy because them.
What is
That's
this?
orange. That's all orange, girl. Look at ours. Spotless. Spotlatte.
Wait. I'm gonna make another book.
This is how it turns out.
It looks really cool.
It looks like a butter slime, but I swear it's not. It's a jiggly.
We made a
Fluffy.
small, tiny jello. It's a little big. We got some
Oh.
glitter. Get the green glitter. The green glitter.
I'll make it here. No, we don't need it.
Yeah, we don't need this one, guys. It's just ordinary glitter.
So this one.
Wait. Okay. I'm ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. There, mine's 1.
Mine's one.
Mine's
Okay. So guys, wait. We forgot to